What's up guys? In today's video, we are going to be going over our flagship indicator, our QuantVue alerts and overlays. We're going to be covering how to get more accurate entries, better exits, how to identify the overall trend, and how to actually and properly use an alert indicator. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So if you're not already aware, we provide an array of various indicators to our members. We have all of our brand new Q-line, Q-scalper, Moneyball indicators. We have our Q zone, we have our SMC and price action indicator. The one we're going to be covering in this video is our flagship alerts and overlays. And this is especially geared towards more beginners, intermediate, and honestly some advanced traders, but more so for beginners and those looking to enhance their overall trading edge. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about this, alerts and overlays, as well as our QuantVue Momentum indicator. Keep in mind, these indicators work on any chart, any time frame, any market. Our members find success on Forex, crypto, options, futures, stocks, so you're not limited to just one particular market. So I've got an example chart here, the pound yen 4-hour chart. The first thing that we do before throwing any of our indicators on our chart is to identify the overall trend. Obviously, you can see that we are in a clear uptrend on this particular chart, and that's going to provide a nice foundation for what we're going to show you in this video. So go to the indicators tab, type in alerts and overlays. Once you get access and sign up, you'll see this QuantVue alerts and overlays indicator. Throw that on your chart. Now, right away, you're going to see obviously a ton of signals. What we first want to do, and some settings that we found to be really strong for a more balanced trading approach, is to change the frequency right here at the top. I like going with 2. This will just reduce the amount of signals you get from the toolkit. Also, make sure you drag the alerts indicator above the candles so you can see the trend coloring here on the actual candlesticks. So here in the 4-hour chart, we actually got a super strong swing trade here. Obviously that was over the course of basically a month, but we're going to go down to a shorter time frame for those that are actually day trading. So now that we've identified the overall trend, we know we're in an uptrend, we're going to be more hesitant on taking any of these bear alerts. So none of these indicators, especially the alerts and overlays one, you should never be taking these blindly. You should always be looking for confluences. And that's what this video is all about. So once you have that one loaded on, before we drop down to that lower time frame, we're going to throw the QuantVue Momentum indicator on. So let's say you've just fired up your TradingView chart. You just sat down at your desk in the morning, getting ready to trade. So far, we know that while we're at it, we're also going to change the opacity of the bands here, just so we can see those a little bit better on the indicator. So let's take these few latest bull alerts as an example. Like we said earlier, any of these bear alerts, now that we know we're in an overall uptrend, we're going to be more hesitant to take. So let's say you just sat down at your desk, this bull alert comes out. Rather than just blindly dive right in, a step we like to take is to look for added confluence. And to do that, the QuantVue Alerts and Overlays toolkit has built-in confluence detection, and that's through our trend table here. As you can see, it's showing bullish on the 4-hour, bullish on the daily, and bullish on the weekly, further adding to that bullish and uptrend bias. So now that we know any moves to the upside are going to probably have a higher likelihood of success, we actually get one here on the 5-minute chart. Now, rather than just dive right in right when you see it, you could have also been paying attention to the momentum indicator, which started to show signs of the GBP JPY being oversold here. We got into this bullish territory on the momentum indicator. Right after, we get this bull alert here on the alerts and overlays. Rather than hop right in, one little added confirmation tip that a lot of our users have been finding success with is to wait for price to retest the algo buddy ribbon. This is a strong confluence in our experience. So let's go through the checklist. You know the higher time frame trend is bullish. The trend table on the even higher time frames, the daily and the weekly, here in the alerts and overlays indicator is bullish. We got a bullish momentum indicator, that's 3. And we also got price retesting this algo buddy ribbon with a subsequent bounce. One of these candles right here would have been a fantastic place to enter this particular trade, over 100 pips. So like we said, you never want to just take these trades blindly. You always want to go through your checklist of confluences. And that's really what our alerts and overlays indicator does. It's not meant to be a blind buy and sell alert indicator. It's only supposed to provide confluence and added confirmation for your existing strategies, setups, biases, and so on. And we'll never advertise our toolkit as blind buy and sell indicators. So if, let's say you were scalping, you could have even exited here on this first entry of the bands. If you were a little brave, you could have held this thing all the way up into this entry of these bands up here. With the alerts and overlays indicator, you get built-in take profit and risk management levels. So you don't have to guess where your stop loss is gonna go, where your take profits are gonna go. These are all set. So this is a 1-to-1 take profit level, 1-to-2, and 1-to-3, all built right into the toolkit. So this was just a quick video on how to use our very powerful alerts and overlays indicator. If you want access to that exact same alerts and overlays and momentum indicator, you can try it 100% free for 7 days. Not only that, but you're also going to be able to try every single one of our tools absolutely free. Head on over to our website. We have 3 various plans, our basic, premium, and professional plan to fit any of your trading needs. Be sure to also follow us on TradingView as we approach 5,000 followers on that platform. We've been featured on the front page of TradingView almost 15 times now. We've been shouted out on their Twitter, which has been awesome. We really pride ourselves on being more than just a set of indicators. We provide daily education there, daily trading guides, market analysis and predictions. We'll link everything you need to get started in the QuantVue toolkit in the description below. If you haven't already joined, we have an over 4,000 member Discord community that's absolutely free, where us and hundreds of other traders chop it up on a daily basis, talking about our strategies, our trade setups, where we're looking in the markets, and so much more. You're also going to get access to exclusive discounts and early access to any new products that we release by just being in that Discord. We'll also link that in the description. Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.